So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you another newly launched based meme coin here. Okay, this is very unique meme coin and can be the next Pepe, can be the next Bread here because very unique meme coin here. Okay, why this meme coin can be the next Pepe or Bread? I will share you full details here. So you have to just for the complete. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. First of all, you can see Zor's name. Current price 0.3 times $0.28, and this is super low cap meme coin here. Okay, super low cap meme coin here that you can see Sparky cap rankings about 2000 number here. Okay, about 2000 number market cap ranking here, and just $2.8 million only. Okay, only $2.8 million market cap. So super low cap meme coin, but very unique. Okay, and very potential that we can see maybe this market cap in $500 million or maybe $1 billion in future. Okay, just last 24-hour trading volume is just $42,000 only. Okay, so its trading volume is very low because still this meme coin is not listed on too many central exchanges. Okay, only one central exchanges they list this coin here. Okay, so that's the reason, that's why its trading volume is very low. 10 billion total supply all in circulation, so that's awesome. And friends, this is the unique thing about this meme coin. Okay, that this coin is working on ZK scan blockchain. Okay, that's why this meme coin is very unique meme coin and can be the Bread, can be the next Pepe for this blockchain here. Okay, so that's awesome thing about this meme coin. And this is a cat theme meme coin on ZKX5 and ecosystem. This is the unique thing about this meme coin to be the next Pepe for this blockchain. And maybe we can see its market cap really in $1 billion in future. We are almost 88% down than its all-time high. There was just 3 months ago, and its all-time low was 5 months ago. Okay, from where we are almost 63% up. So I think this price can be the good buying opportunity price for us because these type of meme coin can exploit anytime. Because if we see Pepe or Boom or Viv coin, then definitely these with these type of meme coin was initially at these stages, and then definitely they were listed on major exchanges and get $1 billion market cap. So maybe these type of meme coin just like Zoro can also listed on major exchanges, then definitely we can see kill its all-time high and make a new all-time high here. MEX is the only central exchange where this meme coin listed here, you can see. And MEX exchange has also low trading volume for this meme coin, but it's the only central exchange where this meme coin is listed. And these two are the dexes, okay, where this meme coin is listed. Maybe I'm going to buy this meme coin soon on MEX exchange here. And friends, this, as I already told you, they're very unique because working on this blockchain, okay, Zcan scan blockchain. That's why maybe we can see its major exchange listing soon here. You can also check out further detail on their website. Also, I already visited their website, and the website is looking good. You can see Zor's name. You can also buy this meme coin here. Okay, developed to get ZK stacks here, and you can also check out further details. There's a cat theme meme coin here. Okay, and I will also show you stocknomics. It's all details here. You can see stocknomics is 10 billion coin all in circulation, and this meme coin was fairly launched on Quai Finance. Okay, and that is the DEX. Okay, as I already showed you, and you can see liquidity secured with 70% burned and locked. Okay, 30% reserved for the future ecosystem innovative, and is centralized exchange listing and also forming. There's no buying selling tax. So you can see just sold you policy. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so this is awesome friends, looking good. And you can also check out this team also and all this further details here. You can also follow this on X and also on Telegram for their latest updates here. Okay, and you can also check out further details here. So friends, my price prediction about Zoro coin is that definitely right now this meme coin is super low cap meme coin here, but these type of meme coins are highly risky and highly rewarded also. This meme coin can be the next maybe 0x coin, okay, or maybe next 1000x potential meme coin here, because it still is not listed on many central exchanges. Okay, only listed on MEX exchange. Okay, that is the only central exchange where this coin is listed. No other central exchange here list this coin, but definitely this meme coin is very unique because working on very unique blockchain. So that's awesome. That's very unique thing about this meme coin that can be, yeah, awesome for this meme coin. And that's why this meme coin can be the next Pepe or Bread here. I'm investing very short amount here, maybe just 10 to maybe $15 in this meme coin. I'm going to buy this meme coin MEX exchange soon. I will share you later. Okay, and maybe we can see its market cap up to maybe I think 5 to maybe $1 billion here. Okay, it's possible in future if this meme coin can perform really amazing here. They increase their trading volume on dexes, and also if it's possible that we can see its listing on major exchanges. Okay, just like get.io can list Bybit, KuCoin, these type of central exchanges. If list this meme coin, then definitely its market cap will be in increased here, and definitely its trading volume will be increased here, and then definitely we can see this meme coin to kill these all three zeros here. Okay, and these all three zeros and be the next 1000x potential meme coin for us. Okay, it's possible that we can see its future market cap from just 2.8 million dollars to maybe 500 or maybe 1 billion dollars here. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? Do you think this meme coin is legit or a scam? You can must comment down below.